In today's video, I'm going to show you how to place additional text to your cells here in Google Sheets. So there are two methods on how you can do this. The first method would be to use the Find and Replace tool right here on the Edit. Select Find and Replace at the bottom, and here we have it. I'm just going to move it right here so we can see our data set as well. So what I want to try and do is to add the word set after the word tripod. So we have under product purchase, we have the product tripod. I want to add the word set after the word tripod. So that's supposed to be tripod set. And we have a couple of tripods here on our data set. I don't want to do it one by one. So what I can do is to first put in the word tripod here in Find. Then replace it with, again, just put in the word tripod and add a word set. So if I click on replace all right here before done, there you have it. We've added the word set on each of the tripods here on the product purchase column. So that's one way to do it. Now, what about under our managers? We have at least 4 unique names right here. And the first one would be Mary Jane Smith. So let's say I want to add a title, maybe Miss or Mrs. You can do so. Let's try that again. We are going to type in Mary. Then Miss Mary. So we're going to be adding the Miss here and still adding the Mary right there. So we're replacing Mary with Miss Mary. If we click on replace all, there we have it. We've added a title on all the Mary Jane Smith under the manager column right here. Let's do the same thing with Carl Sanders, Jimmy Colonel, and Matthew Homer. So we can just type in the first name right here. It will be able to detect that. Then put in the title, Mr. Carl. Again, select replace all, and there you have it. We're still not yet done. Do the same thing with Jimmy Colonel. Then replace it with Mr. Jimmy Colonel. Capitalize that name. There we go. Again, select replace all. There we have it. One last time for Matthew Homer. Replace all, and there it is. We've added those titles to the names that we have here under the manager column. And so that's for the first method. For the second method, what if you're trying to add the same word for all of your columns right here? You can definitely do that. And we're going to be using the ampersand for that. So let's go ahead and start our formula. Let's start our formula right here. Equal sign. Select that cell reference. Ampersand. Double quotation. Space. Double quotation. Ampersand, and your additional text in quotations as well. So that's open quotation mark. Let's say America. Closing quotation marks and press enter. And there you have it. Now to add it to the rest of your data, all we have to do is to drag this formula down like so, and there you have it. We've added the same text to our entire column right here in the region. And all you have to do now is to select all of that, cut, then paste it right here, paste values only. And there you have it. Now we can just get rid of this one. Double click on that column to make sure our texts are seen, and there you have it. Those were 2 easy methods on how to place additional text to your cells here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.